Hello, morning. Oh, here is the rooftop of our hotel, Ayo Hotel here in Kuala Lumpur. This is the view here. Right. So where are we going now? Merdeka Square, right? Walking here in the streets of Kuala Lumpur. Ikot muna kami dito sa Kuala Lumpur City Center. So tingnan natin yung mga tourist spot nila and then a quick walkthrough lang. Yo, may nakapark pang Pan America 1250 dito. Sheesh. Saan yung area?
Masjid.
Masjid. Oh. Masjid Plaza. So, andito kami ngayon sa Merdeka Square. Kaso merong event dito sa highway nila. Kaya, yun. Dito lang kami sa sidewalks ng picture-picture. So, meron silang fun run event. Oh, okay, here. The KL Gallery. So, one of the famous tourist attractions here in Kuala Lumpur. What? So, ikot-ikot lang muna kami. Ang main purpose talaga ng pagpunta namin dito sa Malaysia ay yung MotoGP event. Pero side trip na lang to namin. Ano, may CB650R. So, I love KL. Ito, Kuala Lumpur City Gallery. Paganda dito nga par sa kanilang parang Luneta Park, historical sites. Kuala Lumpur City Gallery. Let's have a quick walk and tour here. Perpustakaan Kuala Lumpur. Yo, meron pa silang Slurpee dito sa Malaysia. Sa Philippines wala na tayong Slurpee. I miss these drinks. Okay, so hanap muna kami ng pang breakfast namin dito sa 7-Eleven. Wait. Oh, I'm gonna eat chicken sausage fried rice. Only here in Malaysia. And for Eliza, American fried rice. So let's eat first. And then mga parang Slurpee. So after how many years, makainom ulit tayo ng Slurpee. Miss my childhood drink. We are now going to Batu Caves. That's the Batu Cave. Right, so this is the entrance of the Batu Cave. Oh, wow. And mga par, so 272 steps daw itong stairway nila papunta dun sa loob ng cave. So we'll try to see what's inside this Batu Cave. Wow. A nice place. So bukas meron palang event dito sa Malaysia, which is the Deepavali. So it's for the Hindus event. We're now going up to the cave, slowly walking on these 272 steps. Goy, goy. Right from there, we now have to the Batu Cave. Okay. Right, we've reached the top after the 272 steps. Wow, grabe ito mga par, inside a cave, ganito dito sa loob. Hindi ba amazing siya? Kakaiba mga par, oh. Ginawa na nila dito ng parang center, like mga souvenir shop, and then I think cemented na yung grounds. Grabe mga par, kakaiba na dito. Sa Pilipinas, iba yung mga cave natin dun, di ba? Mga napuntahan namin sa Sagada. Pero ito, kakaiba to. Galing dito sa Malaysia. Magawan nila ng tourist attraction dito sa loob ng cave. Valley, Devani, Banay. Ang M.
Ay,
what's that? Murugan. So this is the peak of the Batu Cave here in Malaysia. The final stage, right? The very top. of Batu Cave here in Malaysia. An amazing beauty of the nature. I cannot believe this cave. A lot of monkeys. Take a look. Birds, chicken, and more. We finally finished it. Lisa.
Wait.
This tree. Alright guys, after sa Batu Cave, andito na kami ngayon sa Merdeka 118 or KL 118 building. Isa din to sa mga tallest buildings here in the world. Kalimutan ko mag-research kung ilang feet to. Pero andyan na yan sa Google. So Park Hyatt Kuala Lumpur. So andito kami ngayon para ma-witness itong magandang skyscraper. One of the best. Kakaiba siyang building na yan. Kita nyo yung structure niya. All glass. Wow. Amazing, right? Very amazing. Alright guys, so we're now here at NU Central Mall. And then kain muna kami ng lunch. Let's try this 4 fingers crispy chicken. Then pagkatapos namin kumain dito mga par, punta na kami ng Sepang for the sprint race. Okay, sige, share muna. With the signature mix extra. Let's try. Here's my order mga par. Chicken, soy garlic, rice. Here at KL Central Clia Transit.